Let's sit here in the park. Okay. The grass looks very green. Yes. When you slow down, you see colors more clearly. I see children playing. They look happy. They are not thinking about tomorrow. They are living now. Living now. That sounds important. It is important. Many people forget how to live now. Let's go to a small cafe. Not a big one? No, small cafes are quiet. Okay, I like quiet places. 2 teas, please. Hot tea smells nice. Yes, smell is also part of the moment. I usually drink fast. Today I will drink slowly. Good. Slow tea tastes better.
Why are you carrying a notebook? To write thoughts. Not messages? No messages. Only thoughts. What are you writing now? I'm writing, slow days make strong minds. That's a nice sentence. You can write it too. Yes, I want to remember this feeling. Scene 4. Evening reflection. The sky is changing color. Orange, purple, soft blue. I never notice the sky. Because you are usually busy. Today I feel calm. Calm is powerful. I learned something today. What did you learn? That English is not only words. English is moments. Yes, when you live moments, words come naturally.
Today was slow, but it was full. I spoke English, I listened, I repeated words, and I felt confident. That's how learning works. Less speed, more feeling. Less phone, more life. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep living.
Slow down and you will go further. My friend, let me ask you something. Why are you always in a hurry? You wake up, you check your phone, you rush through the day, and at night you feel tired, but not satisfied. You feel busy, but not better. Today, I want to tell you something important. You don't need to run to grow. You need to slow down. When you slow down, you start to see. You see people, you see places, you see yourself. And when you see clearly, learning becomes easier, especially learning English. Many English learners think, I must learn fast. I must speak perfectly. I must know everything now. But this pressure kills confidence. English is not a race. English is a journey. When you slow down, your mind becomes calm. When your mind is calm, words come naturally. You don't need to memorize thousands of words in one day. You need to feel a few words deeply. One sentence, one conversation, one moment. A slow day can teach you more than a busy month. When you read slowly, you understand more. When you listen carefully, your ears become stronger. When you speak without fear, your confidence grows. Look at your life. Less phone does not mean less connection. It means real connection. More life does not mean more money or more noise. It means more peace, more focus, and more learning. If you want to speak English confidently, stop rushing. Sit quietly. Listen carefully. Repeat patiently. Progress is not loud. Growth is not fast. Real change happens when you are calm, consistent, and present. So today, choose this. Less speed, less pressure, less fear. And choose more of this. More focus, more courage, more confidence. Slow down. Trust the process. And one day you will realize you didn't just learn English.
You changed your life. Thank you. Keep learning, keep living.